Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ammar Fayyadh. My metric number is CD220177, and I'm going to talk about the introduction for this assignment. Heat transfer is the physical process of exchanging thermal energy between objects or systems through conduction, convection, or radiation, driven by temperature difference, ultimately seeking thermal equilibrium. In this group assignment project video, we aim to conduct some experiment in order to explore the fundamental mechanism of heat transfer. Those experiments are conduction, convection, and radiation. This experiment will show aspect of understanding energy exchange due to their mechanism playing distinct role in the process. For objective, we have three types of objective. For the first one, in a conduction experiment, the focus is on studying the heat transfer process within solid by direct molecular interaction, as thermal energy is conducted to a material due to temperature difference, providing insight into the fundamental principles and properties of conduction. For convection, a convection experiment delves into the study of heat transfer through fluids, typically liquids or gases, where the movements of the fluids itself plays a crucial role in distributing thermal energy, offering insight into the principle of convection and its effect of the overall heat transfer process. For radiation, a radiation experiment looks into heat is transferred through invisible wave like infrared radiation without needing any materials in between. It helps us understand how heat energy moves across empty space and is essential for various scientific and practical applications.
Hi, good day everyone. My name is Yuvan Pandian and my matrix number is CD220153. So today I'm going to show you how conduction occurs. So for that we're going to do a minor experiment. So for that I've prepared some apparatus. So firstly I've prepared this, a metal ruler, and I've attached the paper clip using wax and a box to hold this, and we need a candle. So this experiment is gonna be like, I'm just gonna lit up this candle and we're gonna place it here at at the edge of the metal ruler, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So let's do it. So now we place this candle at end of the edge of the ruler, and we're gonna wait. So from doing the conduction experiment, at end of the experiment, we have gotten three analyses of results. So the first one is heat energy transfers to kinetic energy to particle and transfer into neighboring particle. Second one is we also can prove that paper clip that is nearer to the edge of the ruler will melt and drop first. Third one is higher heat conductivity value will increase the heat transfer rate, and metal as one of the highest conductivity value. So a simple uh, closure of this experiment is when the heat is nearer to the edge of the ruler, the nearest paper clip that is attached to the ruler with the wax will melt and drop first, following with the second and the third. That's how conduction happens. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is SYAZWAN. I will do an experiment of convection. So, the apparatus we need is just a cup, and then we need a food coloring, and then we need a container. So, That's the experiment. So first we fill up both container with a normal tap water, and then stack the container on top to the cup like this. And then we took a food coloring and put like 2 drops or 3 into the um, tap water in the container. So we wait 1 minute to see the result. So for the next one, we still use tap water for the container, but we change the tap water in cup using a hot water. And then stack the container up to the cup again. And we drop like 2 or 3 drops of food coloring. Then we wait for 1 minute and see the result. So that's all for the experiment of convection, and let's go to the result explanation. So for the analysis of result of our experiment of convection, first we can see that the food coloring grape doesn't spread all over the container using the tap water. And second analysis, we can see that the food coloring grape spread all over the container using the hot water. And the third analysis, we can see that this result show the heat transfer convection theory is correct.
This is Shantanu Halder. My metric number is BD22003. Today we will do radiation experiment. For this we need air fryer and chicken. In air fryer it's work by electromagnetic energy like microwaves. Today we will do this experiment. To do this experiment, we will put here this chicken here, and we keep it like this, and we will set this for 20 minutes at 180 degree, and we will wait. Result and analysis of radiation experiment. We can see here before cooking and after cooking chicken by air fryer. We can see that the chicken cooked very well, and surface of the chicken become brown. Radiation is the transfer of heat via electromagnetic waves in air fryer. The heating element emits infrared radiation which directly hits the surface of chicken and cooked it.
In conclusion, the study of heat transfer is pivotal for comprehending the fundamental mechanism by which thermal energy moves within and between systems, whether through conduction, convection, or radiation. Grasping this principle not only advances scientific knowledge but also underpins the design and optimization of technologies crucial to numerous fields from engineering to environmental science. The ability to manipulate and control heat transfer process is essential for enhancing efficiency, safety, and innovation across wide spectrum of application. Thank you.